Hey guys, it's Carrie Graywall with Crush Real Estate Group at Remax Penticton Realty. I'm just up in Naramata, at one of our listings at Upper Debeck Road, and I just thought I'd do a quick video and show you the house. So, just to give you a little idea here of outside before got the neighbors' vehicles, ours. Still quite a bit of snow on the ground up here. You can see down to the lake there. Anyways, here we go. So there is this little entranceway here, which is great because you can close the doors and keep all the shoes and everything out of the main part of the house. So as soon as you come in through the entrance, to the left you go into the kitchen, to the right down the hall to the bedrooms. So we're going to go to the left first. The owners, you would never know they had 2 small children here. This house is immaculate. So really open here, nice big family room, vaulted ceilings. The yard is fantastic. I'm not going to go out there, but in the living room, I'll just show you out the window. It backs onto a green space, and the property actually goes down quite a ways there past that fence and that patio area that you see. There's actually a kid's playhouse in that green space. You just can't see it from here. So a nice big family room. Give you an idea of how tall the ceilings are. Okay, so there's 2 bedrooms up on the main. This is the master. Okay, all your living on one floor. Here's the main bathroom, and washer and dryer is actually in here. Okay. And the second bedroom, the girls' bedroom. Okay, so we're gonna head back this way and just go downstairs. Feel like this camera gets really shaky every time I go downstairs. Okay, so there's another family room down here, rec room. It's a walkout basement. You could suite it if you wanted to. We've got 2 more really good sized bedrooms down here. This room looks like they're selling Girl Guide cookies. And she's using it as a sewing room right now. Okay. Another bedroom. And a cat. And they're actually working in here, so don't mind the drywall that's needing to be done. Okay, a little 3-piece bathroom down here. And then tons of extra storage space. I'm sure they'll be thrilled that I'm videoing that. Anyways, there you go. Have a great day.